You can look at some of the moments in the overarching exhibit and see the ways we define English literature, English history, are dependent on our understanding of what has survived in manuscript from a British past. So really, it's, again, as I was saying, a way of making manuscript culture strange again, and allowing us to see it as something that needs to be questioned. And so these 18 critics, each in their vitrines, have sort of taken a particular object as a moment to really ask a question. These collections can seem very impenetrable, and so the exhibit is also trying to teach people to read early modern English handwriting. Every manuscript that survives from the past, from the early modern English past, but really anywhere, there was one person who was there holding a pen, who was writing on that very object. And so centuries ago, there was another person, just like the viewer, who was there engaged with that object. And so there's a way in which the details of the ink, the pen, the paper, the objects, all through the exhibit, are also showing the human scale of manuscript culture as a way, I think, of inviting people in to meet these sort of authors, to read them as they represented themselves in the words they left behind that are there in the exhibit. And so really, my hope is that an exhibit on this kind of bristlingly dense topic of handwriting and manuscript culture will be a way of opening that field up to people, to students, to readers now and going forward, so that there will be another generation of people who understand how interesting it is.